Tesla fam, let's break down the difference between Tesla's chill and standard drive modes, okay? So whether you're after a smooth ride or, a little extra power, I got you covered, guys. So if you want to do this, actually, you want to start by tapping on controls on the touchscreen. Then you want to navigate to your dynamics and then acceleration to adjust the amount of acceleration you want to experience on your Tesla. You'll find these different, drive options, okay? I've actually added for you guys at the top left a steps outline to for you to follow along with, so you can look at that. So basically, guys, chill mode is for a more relaxed drive, okay? Chill mode offers a smoother acceleration profile. It's perfect, guys, for a relaxed energy efficient drive. It's great for, like, city cruising or when you want to prioritize comfort and control, right? And if you want, guys, you can choose to switch to standard mode for, if you want a more responsive and powerful drive. This mode basically delivers faster acceleration and is actually ideal for when you want, a spirited driving experience, right? But for you guys, I think, you should just compare and just take your Tesla out for a spin in both modes. Just feel the difference. Chill mode is gentle and steady, while standard mode gives you that exhilarating Tesla punch, right? And that's it, guys, for today's video. Now you can easily switch between the chill and standard modes to suit your vibe. Guys, make sure you hit that link in the description, guys, to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further. Guys, also, before you leave, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Come on, so I can